Can Venmo track you after you delete the app? So let me tell you guys, deleting the Venmo app from your phone does not delete your account or erase the data stored on Venmo servers. While the app can no longer actively track your live location or device activity, Venmo retains your profile, transaction history, and personal information until you officially close your account. Now, to completely remove your data footprint, you must close your account rather than just deleting the application. Just log into your app or web browser first and change your past public transactions to private. Then transfer any remaining money out of your Venmo balance to your bank account. Then to close your account, go to the Venmo official site via a web browser or open the Venmo app. Then tap login at the bottom left and then enter your credentials and then log into your account. Now, before jumping on that, let me tell you one thing, guys. Since I can't access the Venmo app or website in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Venmo to walk you through the process. Now, once you're logged into your Venmo account, tap settings in the top right corner to open up the menu. Now, tap account from the menu options, then scroll to the bottom and tap close Venmo account, and then review your final statement screen, then tap next and close account to confirm. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.